Okay, so hello and welcome to my first unboxing. Since coming back from India, I've been shown how to do a bit of Indian cooking, and I enjoy Indian food. So what I want to do is actually make some videos on me actually cooking some Indian food. So preparing it from scratch and actually doing some cooking. So one of the things I thought I would require is something to grind up the spices. As I was saying, in one of the hotels, the Blue Hotel, I was shown by the people who live there on how they do their spices and a lot. And they do it all in big batches, and they make little jars full of their spices, so they don't have to do it every time they're cooking. So I was having a look and thinking, actually, let me get a small grinder to be able to use. So I looked online, went on Amazon, and I found a company called CGOLDENWALL. CGOLDENWALL, actually. So I had a look at a couple of their grinders, and they come from different sizes, small to big. So I went for a medium grinder, and something that is going to last. So hopefully this is going to last. I'll put a link in at the bottom to it. This isn't a paid publicity or anything by them. This is just something I looked at and wanted to have a go at using. So let's have a go at unboxing it. As I say, it comes from Amazon, so it was Amazon Prime, and came the next day. It was a medium range one, because you can get the cheap handheld ones and things like that, but I wanted something where I can, as I say, do it in bulk possibly, and also make my jars. So it comes with a manual, a service card, power cable for international and UK, cleaning brush, and blades. Okay, and checkers. So let me stand up and take this out. Okay. Careful of all the little bits. Okay, so this is the grinder, as you can see. It is a nice size. So it says it's to do up to 300 grams. Working time 0 to 5 minutes, intervals of 5 minutes, rotation speed 28,000 rotations per minute, 1,500 watts, and the voltage is 220. So that, if you guys can see it there, but that's it. There's your power button. Inside of it. And it also tilts, which is good, so when you do your grinding you can actually tilt it out and tip it out onto a bowl. It's already got a blade set up inside, and these just seem to be your spare blades. So again, rest machine for 5 to 10 minutes after every 5 minutes. It seems quite industrial. It has a safety button. Has a nice safety button down at the bottom here. And then you have your timer here. And that does look, as I say, it's got a nice handle at the back here to pour. And then here at the side you've got to do that. So what I will do now is, now we've done the unboxing, read the instructions. Always read your instructions. Oh, and here you've got a mess sieve. So as you are pouring it out, you can sieve out all the unwanted bits. So that's good. But yeah, I'm going to read the instructions, see what it's like, and then I ain't going to be using it today. I will give it a clean. Don't put it in water, just wipe it with a damp cloth to clean it. But I will have a go at setting it up. As I say, I won't be using it today because I'm just making Bombay potatoes today. But today is Tuesday, but I will be using it on Thursday. So on Thursday what I would do is my first use. I will film it and let you guys know how easy it is to use. But as I say, I'll put a link below onto their Amazon site. That way, if you are interested, go ahead. But there are other products out there. As I say, I didn't go for the small grinders you can buy because we have one of those already, and they seem to do a few things, but they don't grind it really fine. So hopefully this seems big and a bit industrious, so hopefully this will do the job. As I say, I will be doing bulk, so doing it at 300 grams worth at a time will be fantastic. But I will be putting some videos on later on me cooking and share that experience with you, and also I will do a use test on this. If you have any questions on it once I use it, use the comment box below, ask me anything. As I say, this isn't a paid review or anything, so if it doesn't turn out that good, I will be open and honest with it. Hopefully, for the price, as I say, it was a medium range one, so I did go for something a bit better, but ask me any questions and I will give you my honest and true feedback. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button. There are plenty more videos coming. I'm still working on my tour around India. And also, as I say, I will be doing some cooking as we're going along, so there will be some cooking videos. If you want me to try and cook something, send me a recipe or give me some feedback on what spices and that I should be using, please feel free. Thanks guys, hope to see you soon.